The first word is happy. Instead of saying the word happy, you can use the word elated. So you can say, I'm elated to be here today. The second word I'm going to teach you is add. Instead of simply saying add, you can say increase. For example, instead of saying add the amount of salt, you can say increase the amount of salt. The third word I'm going to teach you today is option. Option also means choice. Which choice do I have? Which option do I have? But a better word you can use is alternative. Which alternatives do I have? If you want to sound like you know better English, use alternative instead of choice or option. Let's move on to the next word. This is good. Instead of simply saying it is a good day, you can say it is an awesome day. Next time you want to sound more professional, use awesome instead of good. You can say this is an awesome book. This is an awesome book. The last word I'm going to teach you today is thankful. Instead of saying I'm thankful, you can say I'm grateful. For instance, you can use it in a sentence to say, I'm grateful to be alive today. I'm grateful. I'm grateful to be healthy today. There you go. You have 5 advanced English vocabulary to use in your day-to-day work. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel because I have many more English be back soon. Thank you.